Bleh!
Obviously, be careful like the ruts and shit because they'll tip you.
Yeah.
Mm.
Or the hornet, the one that's like white and black.
Yeah, that's a bald-faced hornet.
Oh, yeah. It was not pleasant. I only got stung once. I was lucky.
He's right here. Flying in the wheel well.
Oh, naughty. I was kayaking upriver.
Yeah.
And these flies are nasty. I was kayaking upriver, high on mushrooms, and I got to the end of the river, and I got really cocky. I was like, "Yeah, I did it! I'm gonna stand up in my kayak and stand up paddleboard the rest of the way because it was one of those like open kayaks."
Oh yeah.
And I was feeling proud, just like paddling.
Pretty much how you gotta. Oh.
I was standing up proud, paddling, thinking like, "Oh my god!" Thinking, "Yes, I did it. That's a big hornet."
Mm-hmm.
Little did I realize, there was a hornet's nest right in front of me, overhanging the tree.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and so I was like, holy fuck. It was too late at that point, so I sat down as fast as I could, and I started just paddling as fast as possible. But as I was paddling backwards, I splashed the nest, and I could see them coming out, and I was just panicking. Luckily for me, I only got stung once, right in the ribcage, but still, that was just painful as hell. And they didn't chase me after that. I don't know how. I don't know why they didn't chase me after that, but yeah, I was just so lucky to get away from that. And just get out with one sting. I mean, especially high on mushrooms, like, you don't want to fuck with that.
Della Creek yet? Della Creek?
Bye-bye.
Like for a good mix of things, June is a great month to come because you can get like a rainy day, sunny day, rainy day,
You bought
sunny
a
day.
specific like raspberry tea or whatever it is. You're talking like rainy day is a good thing.
Rainy days are off. Living the best life.
Marina, just let us know how much we owe you. Okay.
Good $90, right?
75. Miko, I love you, but please don't.